Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, and as you can see, a cosmic grey, my favourite colour, EP3. And it's in for an ECU exchange and remap. It's got some modifications, as you can see, but we'll go through those towards the end of the video, so stay tuned. Let's do an initial power run, see what she's making, and then try and improve upon that. We're incredibly busy, aren't we, Richard?
Just a little, yeah.
Just a little. But Cosmic Grey EP3, some modifications. Let's go through them. It had an M2 inlet manifold, a Tegiwa letterbox induction kit, a Tegiwa 70mm throttle body, a Japspeed 4:1 manifold, mated to a...
He says a spoon, but I would imagine it's a spoon rep. They're all spoon rep ones, aren't they? Original spoon ones, probably hard to get and very expensive for 2 1/4.
Sounds, yeah. I mean, it sounds all right, this car.
Yeah, it sounds great. Done everything. I mean, it's made 230 brake, made great gains in the mid-range, made great power at the top end. Not to be sniffed at, but back to the same old. I'd say there's another 10 brake horsepower in this car with a good exhaust on it. So Tegiwa 70mm exhaust or a 3-inch exhaust and a good inlet manifold. The M2s, we know they're restrictive. They're not ported particularly well, and the ports don't line up the best either. So
there's still a chunk of money, isn't they, really, when you think about it? Because let's assume that he's paid someone to fit that. It's still a chunk of money, and I think for the extra money you could have gone for...
Yeah, I think if you go for the Ultra Series or you go for the Pro Series, you definitely get a better product. Coupled with, say, a 70mm or a 3-inch exhaust would see another 10 to sort of 15 brake out of this car. Yeah, but you can only tune with what we've got, so that's what we've done.
I like the way that the graph is so much smoother.
Yeah, it's a lot more. It's a lot more linear.
Yeah.
But the thing is, because you fitted all these mods, then the fueling is out and the timing is out and the cam timing is out, because it's only based on a stock map on a stock car, isn't it?
Yeah.
So then you obviously smooth that once you obviously start dialing everything in. So yeah, it will feel tremendously different for sure.
Let's go look at that graph.
Let's have a look at that graph.
Let's do it. Well, there we go. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves after an ECU exchange and remap by our Richard on the dyno here today. We finish on a pretty healthy for the mods, 230 brake horsepower, which is 190 at the wheels. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And if you need any of these parts, give us a shout. We've got a website. It's fully loaded. Go and find the parts that you need. If you need any help, drop us a message, and we surely will. And we'll see you all on the next one, won't we, Jeno? We will indeed.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.